Hey everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add Google Drive to Files app on iPhone. This simple trick will help you access all your cloud files directly from your iPhone's file manager. Let's get started. Step 1. First, make sure you have the Google Drive app installed from the App Store and that you're signed into your account. This is essential because the Files app needs to connect to your existing Drive storage. Step 2. Open your iPhone's built-in Files app. It's that blue folder icon you'll find on your home screen or in your app library. This is where we'll make Google Drive accessible. Step 3. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Browse to view all your current file locations. This takes you to the main screen where we can manage our connected services. Step 4. Look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. This is the menu button where we'll find the edit options for our file locations. Step 5. From the menu that appears, select Edit. This lets us customize which cloud services appear in our Files app for quick access. Step 6. You'll now see Google Drive in the list. Simply toggle the switch next to it to enable it as one of your file locations. Step 7. Don't forget to tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Otherwise, your new setting won't be applied. Step 8. Now when you go back to Browse, you'll see Google Drive listed with your other locations, making it super easy to access all your cloud files. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tech tips like this one.